What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove green screen in Capcut on desktop. So before applying chroma key, organize your tracks correctly. Import your background video or image, import your green screen footage and place the background on V1, which is the bottom track, and place the green screen clip on the video or the track above V1. This layering ensures the subject becomes transparent and reveals the background beneath. Now make both clips the same duration and align them properly on the timeline. This makes key-in adjustments. Now click the green screen clip and go to the right panel. Navigate to Video, remove BG and then Chroma key. Turn Chroma key on. Now, to use the eyedropper tool, click the color picker and then select the clean area of the green screen. Sample near the middle of the frame and avoid sampling from shadowy or overexposed areas. If lighting is uneven, sample from the darker screen area for better results. Now, refine the key strength. To increase it gradually, stop once the green disappears and avoid increasing too much. And for the shadow, adjust shadow to remove leftover green spill, especially important for white-clothed hair, edges, and reflective surfaces. If your subject starts looking cut out or damaged, slightly reduce strength and balance with shadow. Now, you have to adjust exposure, temperature, contrast, saturation, and your goal to make the subject blend naturally into the background. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.